guys, what's up? So today I got two new spiders, which are their little jumpers, but these are called twin-flagged jumping spiders, and I believe they're both males. I can't really tell, but I want to show these guys off because apparently, oh, where'd he go? He ran away from me. Apparently these guys can eat, they have a unique way of eating ants, so I was gonna try and see if that was true, and I'm gonna videotape them taking down a couple ants. Well, there's some pinhead crickets in there, but I haven't seen them take to it, so let's see if they take to the ants. Okay, so since I live in like Florida, it's really not hard to find fire ants because they're everywhere. I put a cricket down. I don't think they're, well, maybe that, no, that guy ran away. They have something here. I'm not really sure what that is, but let me separate myself. All I really need are like two smaller sized ants. Will work really well, but I'm gonna go see if I can find a larger. Hey, look, there's another jumper. Wait, where is he? There he is. There's a jump. These guys are everywhere. Alright, let me see here. Let's go outside. I really think all we have out here are twin flag jumpers because it looks like another male. Hello. Hello. No, don't run away. I have 3 of these guys so far. They're literally everywhere. I don't think we have any other type of jumper. Okay, I actually want to find a bigger ant. Holy crap, it's love bug season and love bugs are everywhere down here. Alright. I don't see any. Oh, what is that? No, come here. Look at that. Holy crap, I saw a spider and I want it. Where did it go? Oh man. I lost it. Oh, there he is. There he goes. I don't know what kind of spider that is, but I want it. Where did you go? Dang it. I really shouldn't be sticking my finger in there, just in case. I don't know what type of spider that is, but I'm gonna look it up later. And look what else I found. I found me a baby wolf. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to need more containers because I found a bunch of spiders and I want them. Not specifically, but I would like to look at them closer. Okay. There's my other 2 spiders. And I always have spare containers ready because it is helpful when you find something new and you want to look at it. Okay. Hopefully, wherever that spider went, it didn't run away. So, if I could just find it. Hold on. Where you be, Mr. Smith? Oh, shoot. I might have lost him. That was an interesting looking spider. Dang it. Where'd he go? Dang it. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if you guys saw that. My camera might not be on the right spot, but something darted across. Let me see. Oh, there's a wolf. So there's 2 wolf spiders. Hold on. I don't even think my camera got that. Where did you go? Come here. No, come here. There. Oh. Damn, these things are fast. Holy crap. You can see I don't really get out much and do exercise. Where did you go? I really wanted that one spider, but I'm finding 2 wolf spiders. Or maybe it just got out from there. That might be a reason. Dang it. You know why these spiders are around? It's because it's love bug season. Oh, dang it. Now I'm disappointed. I lost 2 spiders. But I think I still have that wolf spider that's under here. I see her. I hope. Yep, I do. Okay. I really want to find that one spider that looked like a really interesting digging spider, some kind of red-backed spider. I really shouldn't be sticking my fingers in here like this, but I am. Get these things out of here. Where did you go? Now I'm disappointed. Nay. Oh well. At least I get a wolf spider out of this. I managed to get the wolf spider in here. And honestly, she looks pregnant. I think she's got an egg sac. Maybe. Or she just has a really good meal. I can't tell if it's male or female. I guess you guys would be able to tell. I think it has something to do with their pedipalp, so I think it's a female. So we'll put her lid on this. Oh, check this guy out. He's on my fence line. I believe these are... I do not want to get close to this guy because we have walking sticks down here in Florida that spit acid out of their ass. So I don't want to get too close to him, but he's nice looking. I think that's a male because the females down here get like ginormous. They're like the size of your thumb. They're super long. Like normally you can see these two, like you'll see the male and the female on top of each other just having a ball on the walls of the houses. And it's the most frightening thing ever. If you don't know what you're looking at when you first see it, it's like terrifying. And on a plus note, these things will shoot acid from their butts if you get too close or if you agitate them or something. Like they have posters up at the vet's office saying keep your pets away from these because they will blind you. So I don't really want to mess with this guy. Alright, so there's one. I'm gonna go ahead and drop one of the ants in there. Oops. Well, that one's not live. I'm gonna take the more live ones, which probably is you can kind of see him moving around. I don't think he's gonna go after it. Sort of. Do you want it? Is it not live enough for you? I might have to go get something else. Yeah. Okay, I didn't realize this, but apparently he has a cricket in his mouth. Maybe that's one reason why he doesn't want it. Hold on a minute. I know, I'm not trying to scare you. See, there he is. He has a cricket. He's eating a cricket, which is good. Eat the cricket instead. See if this guy wants to eat. I'm pretty sure that one's already been fed over there. I saw him eating a cricket, which he'll probably go back and pick it up later. There he is. Alright, so let me get off the top of the lid. Alright, give me a second here. I don't like her being so close to the lid like that. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead. They're pretty chill though. Once they calm down, they're pretty good. Alright. I have an ant in here somewhere amongst the debris. There he is. Okay, time for the tweezers. Come here. Do not move, I swear. This is not my dominant hand. No, come here. Or yeah, just... You're... Come here. Your meal. You're meant to be eaten. Here, you know what? I could just dump all this in there. Well, the ant itself works too. Yeah, there you go. You got in there. That's good. That's all I wanted. There he is. He's running around in there, so he'll see it eventually. Hopefully he'll go after it now. Oh, he sees him. Look at him. Go get it. I know you see it. Don't be stupid. So these spiders have a specific way of going after ants. So I don't remember exactly how, but I think they attack it from the side or pin it down or something in a way that they can't get stung by it, which is pretty smart. Will you go after your ant? Oh no. No, thank you, sir. That is not. No, no, no. Go back in your hide. Go. Go eat your food, dude. No. That's not an option. Okay? Dude. I'm sorry, but it's not an option. You have to go eat your food. It's sitting there right for you. You were looking like it. You were looking at it like you were interested. I don't understand. No. No. I know you're smart, but there he is. Maybe he sees it. I saw the ant go behind the leaf a little way. Go get it. Maybe he's scared of the phone. Go get your ant. I don't want to leave an ant in there, because then it's a pain in the ass trying to get it back out. Go after your ant. Oh my gosh. You dude. Apparently, this guy does not want to eat today. I know, get off the lid so I can close it, please. I don't want to leave the ant in there with him. So I will leave him alone for a little bit. Maybe he will go after the ant. Look, it's right there. Why don't you go get it? I don't understand. Oh well. I'm gonna leave him alone. Maybe he will go after it later. I'm not gonna leave it in there though, because I don't want to leave an ant. I don't like leaving crickets in there, let alone an ant. Okay, so we're gonna turn to this lady here. This young lady. I think this is a female. Oh shit. That's not what I want to do. I want the whole lid to come off, not the spider. Thank you. I'm gonna drop a cricket in there and see if she will eat it for me. So, let's go to our cricket enclosures over here. I have like several of them. So, woohoo! Alright. Now I'm gonna get my tweezers. Luckily, these guys can't climb plastic like these guys can. So I can just leave her off with the lid and hopefully nothing bad will happen. Alright, I'm gonna get a nice big cricket. Well, at least sort of big. You know what? This would probably be easier with some kind of container. And of course, I'm doing this with my not dominant hand. Or, you know, I'm really not prepared when it comes to these. Oh, that's wonderful. Get like 5 crickets. Bye-bye, you guys. Oh, dang it. Maybe that's why there's a bunch of ants, because I have crickets running around on the outside. Alright. You guys won that round. Alright. I have too many crickets anyways. Letting a few loose won't bother anything. Alright. We got one nice cricket here. I'm gonna, oh my, no. Yeah, go. Get, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Come here. Where's my damn tweezers at? Are you kidding me? Dude, that's not how we play. Get into your, yes. No, don't jump, please. No, thank you. Okay. Freaking crickets, let me tell you. I don't want the shed skin, thank you very much. Just, no, get in there. Get in there with the spider. And you know what? Just to be safe. Dang, that spider's the same size as her. No, my phone doesn't want to focus. I'm gonna do this. Just because I don't want the cricket to get out. Oh, the spider's scared of it. I didn't do this very well. Hold on a minute. Maybe I should have gotten a smaller cricket. That's a big cricket. Maybe I should have gotten a pinhead instead. Oh, dang. Go. Go. Go get it. Don't let the cricket come out. Go get it, man. I know you can take her. Dude, it's not. Go. Go get it. I know that cricket's the same size as you, but you're gonna be hungry. Go. Yeah, go get it. This is not a smart idea. These guys aren't as exciting as tarantulas, but go get it. Where's my tweezers? And look at those guys, they're up there at their containers. The spider's like, I don't want to do this anymore. She looks pregnant. Either that or she just got done eating a good meal. Go get it, go get that. Oh. No, she's not hungry. She's not hungry. Which sucks. Because I have all these crickets and I can't use them. Well, I'm gonna take the cricket out, so. I also made the wolf spider that I got her own little enclosure. The nice hide and everything. She's really small compared to the enclosure, but these guys get pretty big. They also live for like 3 years, I think. So, these guys also live for about 3 years, but they're smaller and they don't get that much bigger, so. Got a new girl. I think she's a female too. Fortunately, these guys didn't want to eat first today, and neither did the wolf spider. But hopefully, after letting them settle in, they'll be good to go. And look, there's my other guy. I believe this one's a female because of look how fat her abdomen is. And these two are both, let me see if I can get him. Where is he? There he is. These two look to be both males. Maybe this one might be a female too. I can't really tell. I'll have to look up pictures to see. But where's the other one at? He's in here somewhere. I don't know where the other one is. I think he's right there somewhere. But I believe these are both either 2 males and a female or 2 females and a male. One of the two. But I'm pretty sure that's a female. And my wolf spider's in here somewhere. I'm not entirely sure. We got her enclosure set up and then my jumpers. So hopefully I'll be able to get you guys a good feeding video in the future. And in a few days to a week, there should be a unboxing video because I got another dead leaf mantis. Sadly, the one I got in my last video passed away. So, hopefully we should be getting a new mantis. And it'll do better the next time, but hopefully I'll be able to see these guys eat sometime. Thanks for watching.